Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Erasure. On surgical, you can erase the tattoos by four methods. One, surgically you can completely excise the tattoo area of tattoo and do skin grafting. This will result in erasure of tattoo mark. Laser beams. On putting the laser beams, the dye particles can get evaporated and thus tattoo can be erased. Electrolysis can be used for erasure of the tattoos. Caustic substances uh, can also erase the tattoo by producing inflammation and scar and thus make the tattoo invisible. Medico-legal importance. Tattoos are important for identification of the person.
thank you and thank you for watching.